Beef Ramen in Golden Thick Soup by Ramen Talk.
金汤肥牛拉面，拉面说出品。
Inside the packet, there are ramen noodles. Freeze-dried beef, spicy and sour golden thick soup seasoning paste, bamboo shoots with pickled peppers, green cabbage, and sesame.
拉面的袋子里装有拉面面饼、冻干牛肉卷、酸辣金汤调味酱包、泡辣鲜笋、青梗菜和芝麻。
Next, boil water to cook the ramen.
那我们开始煮面去。
Let's go to the stove.
面饼用沸水煮6到8分钟。
Put ramen into boiling water. Cook for 6 to 8 minutes.
Hi, this is Hill and Cerise from Kudos to You channel.
Kudos to You is a foodie discovery channel, featuring product unbox and food review. Fast food and instant noodles are our core, local delights and community recommended good food are featured here as well.
Join us to explore delicious food together. Subscribe Kudos to You channel now.
Then only we have chance to tell you stories about food, which one is tasty and yummy, which one tastes so-so only.
Don't miss the exciting foodie journey with us. Just 3 clicks. You will have various food updates every week. Click subscribe. Click the bell. Click all.
Then we're all set for our virtual foodie journey every Tuesday.
When noodles are ready, place them into a bowl. For the hot water left over, measure 350 milliliters for soup making.
Remove excess water. Pour 350 milliliters hot water measured just now into the pot.
Add the green cabbage and seasoning paste into the water.
保留350毫升沸水，其余倒掉。
Stir well. Straightaway turn into golden color.
Add in bamboo shoots.
Finally turn to beef.
So cute. This is the beef roll cube.
Put into the soup and it will melt very fast.
The golden color thick soup looks so yummy.
把青梗菜、金汤调味酱、鲜笋和牛肉卷加入沸水中，搅匀。
Let's see what do we have in the fridge to add spices to the cooking.
Little mushrooms added into the soup.
去冰箱找找有啥可加料的。
Also a tofu bok and some fish cakes. Quite a number of extra side dishes added to the ramen soup. Woohoo!
加了一些菌菇、鱼板和酿豆腐补在汤里，有那么多配料，好满足呢。稍微煮一下就可以上桌了。把煮好的汤倒入面条。
Pour the soup onto the noodles once ready. Good to serve now. However, for the sake of video production, let's make it more presentable. Beef slices on top.
金汤肥牛拉面煮好啦，为了视频的美观，我们稍稍布置一下，牛肉挑一些放上面，最后撒上芝麻点缀。
Final touch, sesame spread on top.
Done!
好了，
It's so tempting. I can eat to portions.
看着觉得好疗愈，我可以吃上2碗呢。
Here you go.
可以开动喽。
Kudos to you. Simply a great meal.
给你一个大大的赞。
The soup tastes spicy and salty with a bit of sour.
Spicy taste is from Sichuan pepper. Depend on your spicy acceptance level. You can reduce the soup seasoning sauce to the soup if you prefer less spicy.
Ramen noodles are chewy and smooth. The texture is good. After absorb the soup, the noodles are tasty. Beef slices taste not much different from those bought freshly from market. I don't expect something extreme, thus everything meet my expectation well. I like this beef ramen in golden soup.
汤汁浓稠，味道辣中带咸，还有一丝酸。它的辣来自藤椒，喜欢藤椒的辣口感，可以多放调味酱，不喜欢则减少调味酱哦。面条滑溜有嚼劲，好吃。
Time for food review. For Kudos score, out of 10 points.
8.5 points for today's foodie experience.
Kudos score is a simple measuring tool indicating our personal experience and preference at the time being.
No advertising or slandering attempts throughout the video production.
今天的美食开箱视频，开动只打出8.5分高评分。点评纯属个人喜好，视频制作不含任何推销或抹黑动机。
Remember to subscribe our channel for more foodie video. See you next Tuesday.
求求订阅和点赞哦！下周2再一起开动喽！